Hi everyone, my name is Justin. I'm one of the product managers here at Doorvest, and I wanted to show you a unique new feature that we just added to our deposits page alongside a new revamped Knowledge Hub. What these will do in combination will allow you to kind of teach you about the real estate process, which is obviously a very lengthy, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 month process, as well as kind of highlight what the Doorvest purchase will look like. So, what we added was a feature in the pizza tracker that you can actually track where you are in the deposit process as usual, but we added a little hover that will tell you a little bit about the stage that you are in, as well as add a learn more link at the bottom left here. So, what this will allow you to do is kind of click through and get to the appropriate area within the Knowledge Hub that will teach you about the stage that you are in. So, for example, I just put in my deposit. So now I'm in the deposit received Knowledge Hub. And what this has is basically all of the information that you need to know to actually go through the entire next step. So, for example, deposit received, you can add the client partners, for example, to your emails so that the emails won't go to spam, and that will maximize the amount of homes that you receive. For example, another thing we can highlight here that's very Doorvest specific is DoorMatch. DoorMatch is one of our home to user matching algorithms that helps match you to a recommended home based off the investment criteria that you provided us. Another one that I can highlight for you is kind of your purchasing options. There's a lot of ways to buy real estate, using your retirement funds within a company like an LLC, 3015 loans, different loan options that you can use. Another one to highlight within this stage is our FAQ. So every time a customer asks a question, we kind of log that and try to keep track of which ones are the most asked. And this is kind of the combination of all of those. Yeah, so I'm not going to go through every single section with you, but feel free to log into your portal, or if you don't have an account, you can submit a deposit and get access to your account. And you can go through all of this and get the information not only for your Doorvest purchase, but just general learning about real estate in general as well. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. My email is at justin.huynh, Huynh, at doorvest.com, or feel free to reach out to one of our client partners at clientpartners at doorvest.com. Thanks, everyone.